Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. So for those of you that have been following me on my Instagram, you have probably seen this really adorable flipbook mentioned in my story. I've also posted the flipbook on my post also on Instagram. So I thought I would also show you guys here on my YouTube channel that don't have Instagram this really adorable project. The project uses 6x6 paper and it's an interactive flipbook, or you could also use it as a mini album or for junk journaling. You could also perhaps insert this in your traveler's notebook as well. So there are a lot of ways you could utilize this really fun project. So I'm going to share with you in this video part one, just to show you the layout and how it looks like, and then I will do a part 2 video with a tutorial on how you could make this adorable flipbook yourself as well. Again, it just uses 3 pieces of 6x6 paper and there is no wastage on the papers as well. So I'll go ahead and share with you the inside, but I'll just quickly share with you first the papers that I used, and also I have put 2 kits together so you could also build this same exact project if you like, and I will place that in my store for you. So I'll only have 2 of these kits available, but this is the paper pad that I used. It's by Kaisercraft. It's an Australian craft company. They make really beautiful papers, double-sided papers, and also their paper pads. Their paper pads are actually 6.5 by 6.5 inch pads, so I tend to cut it down to 6 by 6 for the projects, for those that only have 6x6 papers. But I'll just quickly show you the inside of this one here. I'm telling you, this paper pad has some really pretty papers, lots of gold foils, lots of nice florals and bright colors. Now look at this one, isn't this just beautiful? And it's the With Love collection. It's not an old one. I think it's only just, I think it's about a couple of months. I'm not too sure, but it's not a fairly old pad. But that's the papers that I used. And now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the inside. So this is the cover. I've just embellished the front, and this is one of the little paper ruffled embellishments that I've made. And I've made the closure using the crochet trim and just placed some of these gold glitter hearts on the end to decorate that. And to keep the string together, I used these file tab shapes and just place it on the edge of the front of the cover and also on the back, and then punched a hole in the middle to be able to thread the string through. And then I've just also punched a little piece up here on the corner just to add a little dangle charm, just to give it some more interesting decoration to the front, and a little pom-pom, and I think that just finishes off the cover really well. So when you go on the inside, I didn't embellish it as much because I really wanted to show you guys the flipbook. Again, you can use this as a mini album. So you've got here a page here where you can embellish. You could also add more pockets. You can add some little photos. You could use this as a journaling spot where you want to journal. Over here is the first page. Again, spots for photos here and here. Or you could add pockets again, or you can embellish it. And then the next page, I've placed here a little envelope. And then you can add some goodies in here, a little note, or you can add photos. So there's a lot of places to add small photos in this little mini album or flipbook, junk journal. You could use it for anything. Then on this side is another page, and then again same thing on this side. And then up here is a top pocket. I've got here a little pack of ephemeras. You could add a tea bag in here. You could add more photos on the inside if you wanted to keep your photos together. And then down the bottom here is another side pocket on this side. And I've got in here some washi samples on an acetate sheet. And I do have these in my store, you get a pack of 3 of these acetate sheets for your washi samples as well, and it also comes with this little clip as well. So that I place in there, and then I've also put in here another pocket, just a little cute little pocket for more goodies if you like. So that's the side. I have these in my store as well. You get a pack of 3 that I've made the pockets already for you. This is a smaller size, and they've got nice little gold heart shape on the vellum, so they are nice thick vellum pockets, they're not thin. So I made here 2 a sort of larger size, and then this is a smaller size, so you get a pack of 3. So it comes in gold, and you also can choose if you would like to get the silver heart pattern one as well. So the measurements for this will be in my store if you wanted to look at the measurements. But they're the vellum pockets. And then I've just placed here a bow using my bow die, and then I just place it on the inside of the side pocket, and it just looks really cute in here like that. Again, you can add photos too on this side as well. Okay, so then you turn this over, just close that up, and then here again another spot for you to do what you like on this side, and you can turn this over as well. And again, that's the back of the pocket. I've got here an embellishment that I've made using my scrap papers. Again, some more spots here for you to decorate, and I've got another envelope down the bottom here for more goodies if you like. And I've got a little heart shape ephemera. I just sort of glued the bottom of the heart there and just kept that sort of unglued, so that way you can have a little spot to make that as a closure. And again, another spot here, another spot here, and you've got all this as well to play around with. You can write on here. And then I've got some sequins on the back of the string just to hold the string in place so it doesn't come through. And that's your back. It's really easy to make, and I just love interactive little mini flip books like this. So it took me a little while to find a way to create this really fun book. But I'm going to do the part 2 for you for this video, and then you can also make one of these. Now for the kit, you get exactly what you see here without the embellishments and the pieces in. So you only get the papers to make the booklet. So I'll just quickly show you what you get in that kit. Oh, before I show you, just to give you another idea, this here is another envelope. This is the larger size. And just to give you a bit of inspiration, I just sort of embellished the front here with some of my ephemeras. And this here is a little mini flip book. Again, I use a 6x6 paper to make this. It took me a while as well to try and work out measurements to make this one, but it turned out okay. This is a side pocket. You get a top pocket. You can flip that up here and add another little pocket there. You can make another pocket or add a shape like I have here with a heart to create a little tuck spot for a little envelope. And this is the front, so really cute. So that was the pocket I made for this little 6x6 teeny mini envelope. I'm just going to go in there, the tassel's in the way. Okay, so that's that. And you can also fit a tea bag in these little vellum pockets quite nicely if you want to give that as a gift. Alright, so I'll just share with you what you get in the kit. You get the cover piece, and I've already pre-scored them all for you, and also did a bit of cutting as well. So all you need to do is just use your glue to assemble it. So that's the cover. You also get these 2 pieces, which are the pockets. And these are the 4 pieces for your page flips, which are these ones. So you get that one, and they're the 2 pockets, and they're the other 2 pages that you get. So they're the 4 pages. You also get the 2 envelopes, which that I placed in my album. You get the page tab dies as well with these beautiful ornate gold pattern. You get the little heart, gold glitter hearts, like are placed on the end of the album as well, and some of this white crochet string on a pink cardstock tag, which then you can use this tag as well for your project, or you can add that into the flipbook. So they're the papers and the extras that you get to make the kit. So again, there's only 2. I'll put this in my store shortly, hopefully today, and I'll do my part 2 for this video as well, and show you how you can make one of these. So I will see you on my part 2 video. Bye.